Hello everybody. Today I will make a video about electrolytes for supercaps. So I will make some comparison between water-based electrolyte and eutectic solvent electrolyte. This video I make because a lot of you guys asked me if this eutectic solvent is really good for replacing the water-based electrolytes. So yeah, for this reason I will make this video. If you see my supercap in video 42 Farads supercapacitor, in this supercap I use water-based electrolyte. In this one I use this eutectic solvent electrolyte. So the construction of this supercap is the same like the supercap in video 42 Farads supercapacitor. Also the amount are the same, so the materials and the amount of materials is the same. The only difference is electrolyte. So you will see how good can be your supercap if you only switch to some another electrolyte. So the first test which I will do is I will discharge this supercap with 25 ohm resistor. So if you see my video 42 Farads supercapacitor, you see that the supercap discharge with this resistor for about 5 minutes. And now I will see how long will take this one. and that's it. So I get 12 minutes and 29 seconds. The water-based and the supercap, which have this water-based electrolyte, have 5 minutes. So I doubled the capacity with this electrolyte, this eutectic solvent electrolyte. So I will charge this again. So like I said, the amount and the materials are the same, like by this supercap, which you can find in the video 42 Farad's supercapacitor. The only difference is the electrolyte. And you see, this electrolyte, this eutectic solvent, is also better like my last eutectic solvent electrolyte. So I improve this electrolyte, and for now it seems like really awesome electrolyte for your supercaps. So in this supercap I use really basic carbon. So to activate your carbons you have two options. The first option is you can activate your carbon with heat, some heat activation. The other option is chemical activation. You can use salt activation, acid activation, and so on, and you will get really big improvement. So like I said, in this supercap I have really basic active material, and I get much better capacity and the voltage of this supercap. The next test, I will run this little motor and I will see what time I will get out from this. The water-based supercap run this little motor for about 8 to 9 minutes, something like this, and now I will see what time I will get with this supercap. So I will fully charge this supercap and I will be back. Now I will make another test. I will discharge this supercap with this little motor. The water-based supercap run this motor for about 8 to 9 minutes, and now I will see how long will run this motor, this supercap. So I get 34 minutes. The supercap, which have water-based electrolyte, run this little motor for 8 to 9 minutes. So I improved the electrolyte really good. So this one is my old electrolyte, my old eutectic solvent electrolyte, and this one is my new eutectic solvent electrolyte. So the discharging this supercap with with this resistor, I get just a second, I get 12 minutes and 29 seconds. With my old eutectic solvent, I get 8 minutes, and only 4 to 5 minutes with water-based electrolyte. The runtime of this motor with my old eutectic solvent, I run this for about 20 minutes. And with this electrolyte I get 34 minutes. Really awesome. So the carbon in this supercap is not the best. Also the design, the entire design is not the best, but the really best in this battery is the electrolyte. So I don't use I don't use high performance carbons, because I will try and I test all these electrolytes with the same carbon. So eutectic solvent is way to go. It's much better like water-based electrolytes. You get better voltage and much better capacity. So that's it for today. We see us in the next video, and bye.